Hello everyone, this is Phong with Remax. Be posting an open house at this home on Sunday from 1 to 3 p.m. I'll show you the house. This is the house. It's at 3304 Countrywood Drive in Burnsville, Minnesota. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, 2 car. The living room, dining room, the kitchen. This is the master bedroom. It's got a master bath. This is the hallway, and this is the full bath on the main level. Bedroom 2, and this is bedroom 3. It has a beautiful 0.3 acre backyard. The back of the home walks out to a patio and looking out to the backyard. Very quiet, spacious. If you know anyone that's thinking of purchasing a home here in Burnsville, please have them reach out to me. My number is 952-994-6988. Call, text, or email me at phong@mnrealestateteam.com.